A three-phase transformer has 500 primary turns and 50 secondary turns, making the turns ratio 50 to 500, or more simply 0.1. If the supply voltage is 2.4 kV, our task will be to find the secondary line voltage at no load. For a star-delta connection, as we see here on the primary side, referring to our phase relationships, the line-to-neutral voltage is equal to the line-to-line voltage divided by the square root of 3, which in our real terms is 2.4 kV divided by the square root of 3, or 1.3856 kV. On the secondary side, the line-to-line voltage will be the primary line-to-neutral voltage times the turns ratio, or 1.3856 kV times our turns ratio A, which works out to 138.56 volts. Now, as our next task, we will find the secondary line voltage when the windings are connected delta star, like this. For a delta star connection with the same coil's turns ratio of 500 to 50, and the primary line voltage is still at 2.4 kV, because the primary line-to-line voltage is across the primary coils, the secondary line-to-neutral voltage will be the voltage across the secondary coils because of the fact that we have a delta star connection, which will be the primary line voltage times the turns ratio A, or 240 volts. Therefore, the secondary line voltage will be root 3 times the line to neutral voltage, or root 3 times 240, which equals 415.69 volts. And once again, we're done. In recent years, the reality of climate change has become impossible to ignore. Severe weather events are growing more frequent and more intense. For homeowners, this means that utility power outages are no longer inconveniences. They can last for hours, days, or in extreme cases, even longer. The question is no longer if, but when. You'll need a solution to keep your homes powered and your family safe. Now is the time to prepare and ensure you're not left in the dark when the next storm hits. Here are some trusted resources to help you prevent power outages at home. Jackery Canada at this web address. Bluetti Canada at this web address. Bluetti USA at this web address. And Bluetti Australia at this web address. And finally, EcoFlow may be found at this web address. And for those of you in Australia, here is an added bonus. Bluetti has just come out with their newest fleet edition, the Apex 300. It can put out 3,840 watts for 2,764 watt hours. It has 120 volt to 40 volt dual voltage output and is expandable up to 58 kilowatt hours at 11.52 kilowatts. With the Bluetti app, you will receive real-time weather alerts. This unit charges at 30 kilowatt solar or 11.52 kilowatts with an auxiliary generator. It powers HVACs, electric vehicles, and heavy-duty loads, and it pays for itself in as little as 2 years. In order to get more information and take advantage of this special offer, simply go to this web address. You can also obtain an exclusive offer or a 10% discount by using this code, APEXAFF10. And not to be forgotten, for those of you in Canada, here is an added bonus. In order to get up to 50% savings on some of Jackery's products, simply go to this web address. In addition to any price reduction at this time, you can realize an extra 5% discount by using the above email address in combination with this code DEAL5. And finally, I want to make you aware of the fact that EcoFlow's brand new Rapid Pro power bank will officially be launched on August the 25th. The EcoFlow Rapid Magnetic Power Bank is designed for individuals needing portable charging solutions. This power bank features two models, a 5,000 milliamp hour version and a more robust 10,000 milliamp hour version, catering to different charging needs. You can take advantage of huge early bird discounts and find out all the details about these rapid magnetic power banks by going to the following web addresses. In Canada, go to the web address, and in the US, go to this web address. Furthermore, you can get an exclusive 5% further discount by using the code 25EFRAFF5. Ready to go beyond just solving problems? If you've been following my daily post and enjoying the sample problems, you're going to love this. All of these problem sets and more are now available, or soon will be, on my official course site. My stands for electrical training. Just go to the web address that you see at the bottom of this slide, https://stand.store/GVB.